In this video, we are going to answer a very common question, that is, which model is better to create UGC images, GPT Image 2 or Nanobanana Pro? And to answer this question, we are going to use novoads AI. That is a tool that have the two models, and actually you can try for just $1. Well, so now we're going to go to the image section, and here we're going to use this prompt. It's a very simple prompt where I say that I want a blonde, attractive woman of around 28 years old to be holding a product that, in this case, well, we're going to click here in reference. The product is this one. Let's click here. And now if we click in settings, as you can see, the model is Nanobanana Pro. So now let's click here to generate 3 images with this prompt with Nanobanana Pro. So now let's click here. And now let's put the same prompt. Click here in reference, click here, perfect. And now let's change the model to GPT Image 2. Now here, we don't have to change anything, but if you want, in quality, you can use the medium quality. That, in my opinion, is as good as the high quality, but much cheaper. So well, let's click here to generate the images. And now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the images. And now, as you can see, the images are really good, but here, as you can notice, there is a little bug with Nanobanana Pro that there is not in GPT Image 2. And personally, I liked more the images of GPT Image 2. I don't know what you think. So well, you should decide which model you liked most. So after saying that, remember that you can try novoads AI for just $1 and use these models. Personally, I always use GPT Image 2 because I like it more, but here you can use Nanobanana Pro as well. So after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.